Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can delete all your Snapchat memories in a single click. So for that, just open your Snapchat account. When you are on your Snapchat account, just click on your camera option. You can see here, this is camera option. At the left side, you can see the option. Just click on this option. When you click on this, you can see your memories are here. Here your all memories, you can see at the top Snapchat memories, and it's showing all my memories. If you have a lot number of memories, still you can delete or remove all your memories in a single click. So how you will do this? For that, at the top you can see in front of memories, the top right side, there is an option. Just simply click on this option. When you click on this, now just simply click on select all. Again click on select all. When you click on this select all your Snapchat memories will be selected. Here you can see, just click on select all and all your memories will be selected. Now once your memory is selected, here at the bottom you can see an option called more. Just simply click on this more option. When you click on more, here you can see an option called delete. Just simply click on delete. When you click on delete, all your Snapchat memories will be deleted. So this is the way you can select all and delete all your Snapchat memories.